Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious key lime pie. The ingredients we're going to be using are graham cracker pie crust, lime zest, lime juice, egg yolks, and condensed milk. And for garnish, we have whipped cream and lime slices. Before we begin, however, let's see who this week's helper is going to be. Quick question. I wasn't here last week, so who was the helper last week?
My team.
I was.
All right.
Let me.
Siobhan, you're up.
You point up a little bit?
Yep. Up first week. Listen up, enough. Who's 10? 10.
Iwan.
Hello.
Here we go.
That says it's recycled, right?
Yeah. Next, we make our filling.
So let's go into the milk stuff.
The condensed milk, yes. First, we add in our egg yolks.
How many?
3.
Where's Siobhan?
Now we pour in our sweet condensed milk.
Okay. Where's Siobhan?
Trays in this. Trays in this. Next we add in our lime juice.
Like a lemon juice?
Lime juice. And lastly, the lime zest. Then we mix in all our ingredients. Alright, next. Now we add in our pie filling into the pie shell. Next we pop our pie into the oven. Make sure it's preheated at 350 degrees before doing so. Now we'll carefully place the pie. Alright, close the oven, make sure it's set to bake, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes.
Is that the other thing?
Yes, you may.
I just want to watch too.
Thank you for your assistance. Let's give it up. Let's give it up for everyone. Let's give it up for Siobhan.
Thank you.
Alright, alright, guys, the pie is done. And for record, I said pie, not cake.
Pie.
Like pumpkin pie.
Yeah,
Can I make pumpkin
No.
pie next time?
pie.
maybe in November. No, well, no, before you take it out of the oven, make sure you have these on.
Minge. Oh yeah, put that please.
Yep.
I think I had friends here.
Pumpkin pie is good.
Basically,
Is there such thing you can make orange pie
Oh yeah, that food.
out of oranges?
we'll see. Now we just leave them out here to cool for an hour or so.
Oh.
I'm hungry.
Pie. We need to get a piece of that pie.
Cool.
Oh shit.
Okay, so someone,
Hold on, Jack.
What's up?
It's coming on.
Let's go.
Coming
No.
on.
Okay, it's cool enough. Let's go for the garnish.
What are you
Oh.
doing?
You have to shake
One is
it.
say I
First,
want.
yeah.
I want.
First, we got down.
Complica.
Add down. Sauce of whipped cream. Into the pot.
I
It's
want.
on.
Next,
You have to
Next, you take
shake
them.
the
Oh,
whipped cream.
Yes, I know.
Oh.
next we add the lime
Oh.
slices.
How can I read my
And now our garnish is ready. Now with our garnish done, we have ourselves a delicious key lime pie.
Oh.